Hello viewers, let's fix the problem of unwanted ads in Android mobile. You can see that this installation is continuously running and it's not ending. And even if I go open WhatsApp or anything else, so these type of advertisements come. Skip also doesn't work and the user face difficulty during calling, etc. So let's fix it. Go to settings and in setting go directly to app or open and type apps. So when apps appear, either manage app or app management, so let me click manage app, and this is an app block blast, so let me click it. When it open, let's uninstall it and click OK. I guess this is one of the app which was responsible, but let's go and click on this game to launcher, and once again click uninstall and OK. In my view, these two were responsible for advertisement. Continue looking, and in my store open it because it's corrupt, so let me remove it. We can install it back. System UI, open it, and it's system software, so let's clear cache and OK. Back, click Google TV, and it's also corrupt, so let me uninstall it. We can install it back and continue searching like Game Center or App Velvet or Find Device, and it's system software, so I can force stop it. With next restart it will work, or I can restart it back. Now let's go to main screen and open WhatsApp. There is no advertisement, as well as let me open this TikTok, and once again the ads problem has been resolved. Thanks for watching.